Nakakita ba mo og hiking trail nga pang intermediate ang label? Tara, kuyogin ninyo. Atong hike ang 15 kilometers mountain trail from Barangay Tubod, passing Tagaytay, Campagaw, Mandawang, Kutod, all the way to Gulyas. This is our second hiking activity together with my wife. The hiking activity lasted about 9 to 10 hours. Nagsugod mig hiking around 6 o'clock in the morning from Barangay Tubod. At the beginning of our journey, everyone was smiling and very excited for the trail. Excited pa ang tanan, mag-picture-picture for the reels ug pang my day sa FB. We joined this 15 kilometers hiking adventure not just to explore the mountains but to rediscover life and our relationship. Hiking is never just about distance. It's about the moments we shared, the struggle we overcome, and the peace we find along the way. Sa sinugdanan pa lang, medyo lisod na daan. Pero, maog yun ni ang essence of life. Nothing worth having come easy because every challenge is a reminder that growth begins outside of our comfort zone. As we walk from Tagaytay to Campagaw, every step mattered. Na-realize na mo nga small progress is still progress. Life is not about comparing yourself to others. It is about embracing your own beautiful journey and just enjoy your life. The beauty of the mountains taught us humility. The trees offered shades and quiet wisdom. And in the silence of the trail, we found guidance, a gentle reminder that true success begins within. Kauban ako akong wife, my partner not only in the hike, but for the entire greater journey of life. In every struggle on the uphill and every step in an uneven surface of the trail reminded us that love is not just about comfort. It's also about courage and commitment. In the moments of tiredness, we looked at each other and smiled, knowing that we had already won and blessed just by walking together. Kay balumi nga God is always with us. The trail from Mandawang to Kutod was steep and rocky. Ang trail medyo lisod na. We already feel the pain and tiredness, but our hearts are kept fighting. Just like in marriage life, we keep going because we have children who needs our love and strength. We also realize that the hardest climbs often leads to the most beautiful views. Ang kinabuhi samara sa hiking. Kung magpadayon ka, makita ranimo ang purpose sa tumoy. As we reached to the Gulyas height, the view was open wide. Makita nimo ang mountains, clouds, and sea. We didn't just reach the destination, but we found gratitude. Gratitude for the strength to walk, for the love that carries us, for the life lessons that continue to teach us in every step at a time. Life is a long trail, sometimes rough, sometimes kind. But when you walk it with faith and love, every experience becomes meaningful. For us, this is not just a simple hike.
Well done.
This is a reminder that together we can conquer any mountain. One step, one heartbeat, one prayer at a time. This hiking experience reminded me of my climb at Mount Pulag in Benguet, the highest mountain in the entire Luzon area. We hope ubanan mi ninyo sa among other mountain hiking adventure, and let us discover more the beautiful mountain natures made by God. See you in the next mountain adventure. Bye.
How did I get so lost?